Well, I think at the heart of every teacher, we want to see people connect to music for the rest of their life. I wanted something that was going to teach me how to teach differently, not different ways of teaching the same way I always taught. My name is Ellen Sample, and I teach in Redlands, California, and my instrument is the piano. I have my own private studio. I've been working from my home studio for over 15 years now. The most frustrating part about teaching for me in my studio was that I only had my own student experience, in other words, other teachers teaching me. I only had that and one course of pedagogy in college. I majored in music in college. So basically all of my teaching style came from how I was taught myself, and I didn't like the way I was taught. So I was trying to mix it up for my students. I wanted to give them something better than what I had myself. But when you're isolated and alone and you have your own studio, you don't have a large community to draw from. It's universal. It's all over the globe. You have people from different countries and different ideas and different student challenges, and you can say, well, how do you deal with this? And you can learn so much just from the teachers, not just the experts that Tim uses in his blogs, but actual teachers who are dealing with actual problems all over the globe. And we get to talk about it, and we're not in competition. We want to see each other succeed. We genuinely care that the world is a better place and more connected to music. Yeah, it's a beautiful resource that you don't even realize you need when you're stuck alone in a house or in a studio. You don't realize how valuable that community can be. Yeah, the resources, I love the music. There's free music that I can look at. They categorize music, so I can look at, okay, where is my student? Are we talking beginner, advanced, intermediate? Where in that is my student? And then what resources are there? There's a whole library of music that you can go through that actual teachers have reviewed or posted, and then they comment on, so you get a real chance to see it and to see how it's been a benefit. So, for instance, I've been able to create teaching programs that I've learned the techniques from through the resources that I've had. Oh, TopMusicPro is definitely worth the investment. Whether you make that back in increased students or increased opportunities, or you just make it back in being a better musician, I think for the dollar for dollar, you can't beat it.